Every night, at exactly 3 a.m., a small crack appears on Liam's bedroom window. He tapes it up, replaces the glass, even moves to another room, but it always returns. Same shape, same spot, as if something is marking it. One night, he stays awake with a flashlight, eyes locked on the window. When the clock ticks to 3, crack. The sound echoes like a bone snapping. A hairline fracture appears, but this time, he sees it. A face, pale, eyes completely black, pressed to the other side, smiling. Liam runs, but before he leaves, he glances back. There's no glass in the frame, just the open night, and the crack now crawling across his mirror. Something didn't want in. It wanted him out.